Welcome to Course 1, Module 2 of our Professional Diploma program at the Perfect Digital Academy. Today, we are mastering a foundational pillar of modern marketing execution, which is customer journey mapping. Our core objective in this session is understanding and designing seamless customer experiences across the modern digital landscape. As digital strategists operating in the current environment, we recognize that successful campaign relies on mapping out the precise pathways consumers take from the exact moment they discover a brand to the moment they become passionate advocates of our services. Let's look at how data, intent, and touch points connect to form a cohesive, high-converting journey. What's customer journey mapping? To begin building this framework, let's define exactly what customer journey mapping means for your day-to-day strategic operations. A customer journey map is a structured visual narrative that charts the end-to-end experience of a customer across every single digital touchpoint. This roadmap is a vital asset because it aids organizations in deeply understanding customer behaviors, expectations, and real-time emotions. In digital marketing, we cannot treat a customer interaction as an isolated event. Every click, every scroll, and every form submission is a part of a broader story. By visually documenting this flow, you gain the ability to step directly into the shoes of your target audience, observing how they navigate your ecosystem, what barriers causes them to hesitate, and what content inspires them to take action. Let's talk about why organizations use it. Understanding why organizations universally rely on this asset is key to proving its strategic value. Customer journey mapping helps teams find conversion gaps, align fragmented processes, and significantly improve the overarching customer experience. When a marketing strategy underperforms, the issue rarely stems from a single ad or a single page. It happens because of friction points between channels. Journey mapping, therefore, exposes these disconnects immediately. It allows you to synchronize your paid media, organic content, and data analytics infrastructure so that your entire organization operates with total clarity, driving higher returns on your marketing investments. Let's talk about the customer journey stages. We look closely at the experience flow by decoding the core stages of the digital funnel, which are awareness, consideration, conversion, loyalty, and advocacy. Awareness is the precise milestone where potential customers first recognize a need or a problem. They are actively searching for solutions to their challenges. Our goal in this case is to ensure our brand appears prominently right as that realization strikes. This moves them into consideration. Consideration is where customers evaluate available options and seek deep information. Beyond these initial steps, the journey flows into conversion, where a seamless user experience turns intent into action, followed by loyalty, active advocacy, where satisfied clients become organic referral engines for your business. Now, let's talk about benefits of customer journey mapping. Implementing this methodology brings direct advantages to a business, specifically driving stronger alignment, improved understanding, and deep emotional insight. First, we achieve stronger alignment because this map helps teams to coordinate strategies and communication across all channels. It ensures that your copywriters, web developers, and media buyers are all building towards the exact same user milestone. Second, it delivers an improved understanding by providing undeniable clarity on customer motivations and expectations, thereby allowing you to build highly personalized marketing assets. Third, the third advantage of customer journey mapping, it uncovers emotions and insights, which helps you to understand behavioral reactions at each stage so you can optimize your messaging to resolve specific concerns in advance. What are the what are the key elements of a customer journey map? These are the touch points and building blocks. To make your journey map operational, we must define its building blocks, starting with touch points. Touch points are the exact moments where customers interact with your product or services across the internet. Your touch points include your search engine listings, your specific landing pages, automated email sequences, social media profiles, and digital transaction portals. Every single touch point must act as a seamless bridge to the next. If a user moves from an educational social media post to a landing page touch point, the transition must feel continuous, supportive, and perfectly aligned with the answers they are looking for at that exact moment. So, let's talk about the customer emotions and emotional triggers. At the heart of every touch point is the human element, customer emotions and customer triggers. Mapping emotional highs and lows helps teams identify frustrations, clarify expectations, and enhance satisfaction across the entire cycle. This is where we analyze user intent, because why a person uses a specific digital platform determines their emotional state and how they consume information. For instance, a Google search differs completely from a TikTok scroll. A Google search represents high intent and pull marketing. It means a user has a direct problem and is actively hunting for an expert solution right now, which means they value structured, authoritative information. On the other hand, a TikTok scroll is driven by discovery intent and push marketing, which means a user is looking for entertainment and your brand must capture attention passively via creative storytelling. So, what's the impact of customer journey? Understanding these emotional nuances and intent model directly shapes your high-level business goals. Journey mapping insights guide strategic priorities and identifies the precise customer needs and highlights improvement areas that deliver truly meaningful business outcomes. When you look at your marketing through this holistic lens, your investment stops being a series of random experiments. Instead, you gain the clarity needed to make data backed operational decisions. If the analytics show that your search traffic is exceptionally high, but the conversions remain low, you know your top of funnel intent matching is perfect, but your mid funnel consideration assets need strengthening. So, how do we implement insights? As we close this module, let's focus on turning this technical knowledge into scalable outcomes. Successful implementation requires teamwork, regular feedback evaluation, and continuously adapting your journey maps for a seamless customer experience. A customer journey map is never a static document. It must evolve as consumer habits, search algorithms, and platform dynamics shift. Your action steps moving forward are clear. Perform a deep audit of your current digital touchpoints. Define the explicit user intent behind each traffic source. Remove every single visible layer of friction from your sequences and continuously monitor your performance data to refine the flow. Follow this blueprint to turn your training into practical marketing systems that grow predictably. Thank you for listening. We'll see you in the next module.